Good day to all my viewers, the students and the teachers watching me on YouTube. I say thank you all. Without you, the video would be there till our Lord comes and nobody would watch it. But what I am pleading with you is to share my videos, to like it, to comment, and to give and to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Today, still on quadratic graph, we would like to learn how we can find the value of y from the graph when x is given or known. Let's see the procedures involved. The first thing is that on the x-axis, locate the value of x on the graph. That's the value of x given in the question. Try to locate it on the x-axis. Then the second thing is draw a vertical line from the value of x. So after seeing that this is your x value on the x-axis, you draw a vertical line from that value to touch the curve using a rule or a straight edge. Then you draw a horizontal line from wherever your vertical line touches the graph or the curve to touch the y-axis, and that is also drawn using a straight edge or a rule. Then you read the value of y from your y-axis, and that becomes your answer. There is something you should note. When s value is given for you to find the y value, because s value is given, the y value would have only one answer or one value on the graph, and that would be your answer to the question. Let's see our graph and we use it to answer questions where s value is given. So this is the graph. Let's see the question on it. From your graph, find the value of y when x is 4.2. The question says from your graph. So you look for (4.2) on the x-axis. So from the origin, I am going to move on the x-axis to find the point 4.2. When I get the 4.2, then I will stop there. So good, that is the 4.2. Now what I will do is to draw a vertical line from where the 4.2 is to touch the curve, and to touch the curve I must draw the line vertically upwards. If I draw it downwards, it wouldn't touch any part of the curve. So when you are drawing the line, you consider all these. So that's my vertical line to touch the curve. Now that it touches the curve, wherever it touches the curve, I must draw a horizontal line from that point to touch the y-axis. So that is my horizontal line which touches the y-axis. Then I have to read the value of y from the y-axis where my horizontal line touches the y-axis. And that would be my answer when x is 4.2. So the answer is y equals 3.84. That is the exact value when you use this software, that is the GeoGebra. But because you have drawn your own graph and it is drawn with the help of your free hand, your answer could be different from this, but it should not be too much below or above the exact answer. Therefore, 3.7 is accepted, 3.8 is accepted, 3.9 is accepted. So all these answers are accepted, but you shouldn't write all. So your answer could be a little bit different from that of another friend, and they may all be accepted. Let's see our next question. From your graph, find the value of y when when s is 2.6 on the x-axis. From the origin, I will try to move to my right to find where 2.6 is on the x-axis. That is it. I hope you can see. Then, with these two, I must draw a vertical line from the point to touch the curve. When I draw it upward, it wouldn't touch any part of the curve. But when I draw it downwards, it will touch part of the curve. And that is what I must do. Now, where it touches the curve, I must draw a horizontal line to touch the y-axis. Good. And read the value of y from there. And with that too, if you can't read these values, look for my video on how to find a value of a line on the graph. That would help you. Okay, so when you read, the answer would be y equals negative 0.64. But as I have already said, your graph is drawn with a free hand, and therefore it wouldn't be as straight as GeoGebra has done. And therefore, joining all these horizontal and vertical lines would make your answer a little bit different from that of the exact answer. So negative 0.5 up to negative 0.7 is accepted. So your answer could be negative 0.5, negative 0.6, negative 0.7, and they are all accepted. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel. With all due respect, without you, my video would be there till ages. Thank you for watching all my videos, but I plead with you to subscribe to my videos. Another video would be on finding the value of x when y is given or when y is known. So I say goodbye till we meet again.